Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are around the world. My name is Ikabo. Welcome to my channel. And today we are going to learn how to say different things in Igbo language. If you want to say things like, for example, now I'm in the beach. In Igbo language you say, Ano m n'akụkụ mmiri. Ano m n'akụkụ mmiri. I am by the side of the sea, by the side of the river. Mmiri actually literally means water in Igbo, but whether it's ocean, whether it's sea, you can call it mmiri. Okay, everybody understands. Although ocean is called osimiri, but if you say mmiri alone, it's understandable. So another one is obele nwa na-ayị igwe, a small baby that is riding bicycle. Igwe in Igbo language literally means iron, but in most cases we call bicycle Igwe. So anytime you hear Igwe, either the person means iron or the person means bicycle. Obele nwa na-aya igwe, a small baby that is riding bicycle. Mmadu, a person. Ndị mmadu, people. Ukwu osisi, tree. Wood, nkụ. Mmiri, water. Nnụnụ, bird. Aka, hand. Ugo, eagle. Ụgbọala, vehicle. Ụnọenu, high building. Nkịta, dog. Ezi, pig. Ewu, goat. Ewe, monkey. Kụọ aka, clap hand. Mepee ụzọ, open door. Mechie ụzọ, close door. Bọọlụ, ball. Gbaa bọọlụ, play ball. Ahịa, market. Gaa ahịa, go to the market. Gote ihe n'ahịa, buy something from the market. Ụlọ akwụkwọ, school. Ụlọ ọrụ, office. Efe, clothes. Yile efe, wear clothes. Ihe ụkwụ, shoe wears. Agụ, lion. So guys, thank you very much for watching and for listening. Remember to like, comment, share our videos. God bless you all. Bye.